Hi everybody, it's me, Camila Rose, and today I'm back for our final cash stuffing from our April paycheck one. We had a lot going on, y'all. We had a lot of money to put in a lot of places. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit subscribe, and I will see you all in just a little bit to actually put some of this money away. Alright, let's get going. So first things first, we have Planner. And Planner is getting $5. Do we have any money in Planner? Now this is the one I be taking money out. I be putting money in. Planner be having a lot going on. Or these sections be having a lot going on. They are not going to be the same they're not going to have the same amount left in them every month. But let's add that $5. Because Planner actually has 15 in it. We're adding 5, and that's going to, or 15. It should have 15. It's only got 11. We're going to add another 5 in there. That's going to give us 16. So that lets us know that we spent $4 out of Planner last time. So we need to make sure that gets updated. 16. Cosplay and gardening gets $2. That's this 2 right here. I don't even believe this has an envelope. I think it's just a little section in my collection. So we have it marked down as having 7. Ooh, we've got 8 in there actually. Okay. 9, ooh, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got 10 in there now. That's exciting, especially since it's springtime, and that's going to mean that I'm going to want to garden because the snow killed all of my plants. But I think the only thing I need is soil, so hopefully we won't have to spend that much. And now we know that singing bowls is off. You've seen me adding money. The last time I added money in here was in March, and that was when we bought our last singing bowls, and it was marked as having 25 left, and we know we have way more than that. So let's go ahead and grab that $5 for singing bowls. Let's pull out the money that we have in the singing bowls. Singing bowls right now has 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, and we're going to add another 5 to that. Y'all, it's coming along. Our next singing bowl goal, I believe, is 140. Again, might be 145, and we have 2 more left that I want to get, and then we'll be done. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, whoop, whoop, 61, 62, 63. Y'all, we're making it. It's taking a while. That's okay. Gas has gone up, which has put a damper in my having more money to pull out at the end of that to contribute to singing bowls, but also at the end of my electronics envelopes. But also I've been going more places, so I've been using more gas again. It's just all a mess. It's 60. I don't even remember now. I got all distracted. Okay. 20, 30, 40, 50. 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 63. Okay, and look, my 6 is all weird. I got all distracted. There was a weird noise coming from outside, kind of like someone running, but also like someone I don't know, maybe banging on something. It was really strange. Okay. The phone gets $10. I've never been more happy than the fact that I put aside money to save for a new phone. I've never done that. And I remember, I know y'all do, when it was just every time a new phone would come out, it was buy a new phone. Madness. I'm so glad I don't do that anymore. Okay, so phone has, last time we looked at phone had 90. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90. This is the only one that I haven't been what is going on here? A true sinking fund that I don't spend out of. Okay, so 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. Y'all, that's a full $100. And you know what that means? That's enough to buy a quarter of a phone now. Phones are so freaking expensive. All right, let me put this away. Who do we have next? Miscellaneous gets 5. I believe I should have some money in miscellaneous. Let's see. What I do? I have $2 whole in miscellaneous, so I spent 10. And y'all, we're doing more stuff at work. I feel like I'm going to end up... Did I say that's 10? That's $7. I feel like I'm going to have to start needing money for work again. Oh, the birthdays and all that other stuff. We're not like back at work, obviously, but like there's just more stuff going on. As y'all know, Texas just opened up. So like there's just more going on everywhere. $5 for health. We do have a health envelope. Let's pull that out. We should have 15 in there. Got our 15. Add another 5. Got $20 in health. I also need to go to the allergist because the allergies are kicking my butt. But I will be using my, what is that? Flexible savings, whatever that thing is called. I'll be using that for that. Put that at 20. Whoop whoop. Canva gets 10. This is a true singing fund. I won't be spending anything out of that until I have to renew my Canva at the end of the year. So we have 30. Does that match up in Canva? Yes. So now we have 40, 20, 30, 35, 40. And I do use Canva pretty regularly, so I do actually like to pay for it. Let's see, what else do we have? There's the 40 for Canva. NTTA gets 5, but it doesn't actually get 5 from this paycheck. It gets 5 from another paycheck, which I should probably look at changing. And then we do have one that's not on here that I mentioned that I was adding, and that is hair. And hair is actually going to be getting 25. 25. And it gets its 25 every paycheck so that I can get my hair straightened and done. So we're up to 50 for hair. So exciting. And then we have another one that I haven't added it, but I am putting money aside when I have it for school. Is it school loans that gets this, or is it debt? It's school loans, I believe. Is it? It is, because I need to pay more on school loans. Okay. All right, school loans gets 25. And I'm not keeping up with this. I should add this. Y'all are going to probably end up seeing a brand new one once I get done. But I have quite a bit in even just interest. Y'all know I have a ton of school loans. Like I said, let me know if y'all want me to start tracking those. Ooh, because that's a lot. And then we have 10 for tech. 10 that we give every month. And I went ahead and added tech up here, so. But tech is another one that's like a fluctuating one. Like I actually spend money out of it. So I'm like, I'm not super into needing to actually put that one aside. But I do, of course, as you all know, track it in this section, which I will continue to do. Right here. We track tech right here. So where's our pen? There we go. In March, we put 10. Oh my gosh, y'all, we're almost out of spaces. Should be 110. Let's give it a count and then we'll be done. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 110. We are done with tech. And that's it, y'all. We are done. This was much easier and much shorter than doing my 5,000 that I used to do. So I will more than likely continue to do the videos in this breakdown, but I will have to figure out what I want to call them. I'm going to get there. I'm going to figure that one out. But that's it, y'all. That's all for our cash stuffing for our first paycheck for April. Let me know how y'all are doing. Let me know how y'all sinking funds are going. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a really great day, and I will see you all later. Bye-bye.